Hello guys, so this is a video to show you another tool in Instagram that you can use so that you get more followers, more engagement in your profile in general and more likes. Okay, and it is very simple. It is the Instagram highlights and it is this little plus sign over here, and the word highlight means the best moments. Okay, so let's say you upload 100 stories in general in 1 month, and from these 100 stories, 10 of them, let's say 10 of them are your favorites, are your best, and you want them, these 10 stories, to be seen from other people. And so you go here on highlights, you push this little plus sign, and then you come here and you choose whatever story you want to add in these highlights. And this makes and then this story will be added here. Let's say best quote or dance or a gentleman or pirates. And many times people will just see these stories when these highlights when they visit your profile, and then they will make a decision based on these highlights so that they follow you, and you will have more followers in general with this. And this is basically it, and it is an extra tool and an advantage for whoever uses it, and it will make your account look more full with more content and in general more likable. And yeah, this is basically it for this video. Good luck on the application of it. And welcome to this video, and in this one I'm going to show you and explain to you how to use Instagram stories, what are Instagram stories actually, and how to use them as effective as possible so that you have the most engagement with your followers. And if you are a business and you have a product that you want to sell, you can sell it easier, more effective, in a more effective way, and in generally better. So let's just go into it. So first of all, what content are you going to use in an Instagram story? I'm going to show you right here. First of all, if you want to put up a story, you go to this little plus sign over here. As you can see, the blue and white plus sign. And right here, I have this in normal. So in normal, you can actually take a photo. You can put it here, and you can actually have a live Instagram video, and in that Instagram video other people can watch you. And we are going to speak about in another video about live videos and what to do actually in a live video. This one, that is